Assalamualaikum, hello. We are going to continue our discussion on formative exercise 3.3, page 110, textbook. Okay, question number 1A, integrate -1, 3, 2 minus x power of 5 dx. Okay, so we integrate this to minus x power of 6 over 6 times differentiate function in the bracket, so -1. Okay, so -1 to 3. So we substitute upper limit. So 2 minus 3 power of 6 over -6 minus, okay, 2 minus -1, so plus 1 cube, power of 6 over -6. So this one I can move out 1 over 6. So this one is -1 power of 6 minus 3 power of 6. Okay, equals to 364 over 3. B, integrate from 3 to 2, 8x minus 6x squared plus 8 over 2 minus x, so dx. First of all, we need to simplify first this one. Okay, so 4x minus 3x squared plus 4 over 2 minus x dx. Okay, this one we can factorize, so otherwise we rearrange first. So 4 plus 4x minus 3x squared over 2 minus x dx. Okay, so -3, 2. 2, we factorize, this one become 2 minus x, 2 plus 3x over 2 minus x dx. Okay, so we can cancel all this. So 2, we integrate this one. Okay, so become 2x plus 3x squared over 2. Then we substitute upper limit. Okay, this one is 2 times 2 plus 3 over 2 squared. Okay, minus, substitute lower limit, 2 -3 plus 3 over 2 -3 squared. Okay, so this one 2 times 10 minus 7, 1 over 2. So then this equals to 5. Now question C. Integrate from -2 to 3 to x squared minus x dx. Okay, so we expand, so this one to x power of 4 minus 2x cubed dx. So then we integrate, so 2x power of 5 over 5 minus 2x power of 4 over 4. So we measure from -2 to 3. Okay, so substitute 2 over 5 upper limit 3 power of 5 minus this one, we can simplify 1 over 2 3 power of 4. Okay, minus, substitute -2. So 2 over 5 -2 power of 5 minus 1 over 2 -2 power of 4. Okay, so this one 5, 6, 7 over 10 minus 104 over 5. Okay, equals to 155 over 2. Question number 2A. Now for this one, given value for integration from 0 to 3 fx dx is 2. Okay, and another one, integration from 2 to 5 gx dx is 7. Okay, so we need to find this one. Integrate from 3, 0, 1 over 2 fx dx plus 2, 5, 3 gx dx. Okay, so now for fx, we have 0, 3. Now we have 3, 0. So we can exchange the position, so become negative. Okay, and 1 over 2 we can move out, so negative 1 over 2, 0, 3 fx dx plus this one 3 we can move out, 3, 2, 5 gx dx. Okay, so negative 1 over 2 fx. Okay, fx, the red one. Okay, so fx, okay, this one equals to 2. Okay, so negative 1 over 2 times 2 plus 3 for gx. Gx is this one. Okay, equals to 7. Okay, so plus, 3gx is 7. Okay, so negative 1 plus 21 equals to 20. Okay, let's do 2b. Given integration from 1 to 7, kx dx equals to 10 here. Okay, we need to find the value of 1, 3 kx minus 3 dx plus 3, 7 kx dx. Okay, first of all, we have to separate this one. Okay, separate, so become 1, 3 kx dx minus 1, 3 dx plus 3, 7 kx dx. Okay, so then looks like we can combine this. Okay, so then we rearrange. So negative 1, 3 dx plus 1, 3 kx dx plus 3, 7 kx dx. Okay, so this one we integrate as usual, so negative 3x 1, 3. Okay, plus this one, actually the limits continuous, so we can combine. Okay, so become 1, 7 kx dx. Okay, so this one we substitute upper limit, so 3 times 3 minus 3 times 1 plus, okay, so this one, yeah, the value is 10. Okay, so we substitute here, so plus 10. Okay, so this one equals to negative 9 plus, okay, so equals to 4. Okay, so final answer is 4. Okay, for question number 3, I'm so sorry because I cannot solve this question, because if I refer the function here, quadratic with a is 1, meaning that this is parabola with minimum point. Okay, so let's say we draw x-axis and y. So smile curve with y-intercept is negative 5. Okay, something like this. Okay, negative 5. Okay, so here we don't know the roots here. Okay, but given line x equals to 1 and line x equals to 4. Okay, so we don't know the roots is less than 1 or between 1 and 4 or more than 4. Okay, but if we refer the answer, so h equals to 3, so we substitute here x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. We are going to try to find the roots. Okay, so this one cannot factorize, and by using formula we get roots is 1.19. Okay, so then x equals to 1 is somewhere here, and x equals to 4 somewhere here. So meaning that we got two separated area. Okay, so that's why I'm so sorry because I cannot solve this question. So therefore, I'm going to skip this question. So we are going to do question number 4. Question number 4, the diagram on the right shows a curve y equals to x squared and the straight line y equals to 4. A line with a gradient of negative 1 is drawn to pass through h02 and its intersect the curve y equals to x squared at k. So find A, the coordinates of k. Okay, so now K, from the diagram, you can see K is the intersection point. So if you want to find intersection point, you can solve simultaneously. Okay, so now we need to find equation of HK first. Okay, HK is a straight line. So equation of straight line is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so given already the gradient of HK is -1, and from the diagram you can see C intercept is 2. So you just substitute into this. Okay, so y equals to -1x plus 2. Okay, so this is equation of HK. So now we are going to find coordinate K. So simultaneously intercept with equation of the curve y equals to x squared. So you put 1 into 2. Okay, so 1 into 2. So x squared equals to y equals to 2. Sorry, 1 equals to 2. 1 equals to 2. So x squared equals to negative x plus 2. So x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So this one we can factorize x plus 2 minus 1. So x equals to 1, x equals to -2. Okay, so since of the position of K is the right side, so meaning that you choose x positive. Okay, so if x equals to 1, you substitute into any equation 1 or 2. So y equals to 1. So therefore, coordinate K is 1, 1. For B, find the ratio of the area P to the area Q. So ratio area P is to area Q. Okay, so area P is the blue shaded region and area Q is the pink shaded region. So for area Q, actually you can divide into 2. Okay, the triangle and another shape area under the graph. Okay, so for this one, we are going to use formula integrate with respect to y. Okay, because the lower limit and upper limit are values of y. Okay, so area P is this one. Okay, area of this minus area of small triangle. Okay, area Q is area of triangle plus area of shaded region. Okay, so we choose formula of area equals to AB XD y. Okay, so for area P, lower and upper boundary, this and this. Okay, so lower boundary is just now K is 1, 1. So lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4. Okay, so x dy. So x is actually y power of 1 over 2. Okay, so y power of 1 over 2 dy minus for triangle is 1 over 2. Base is 1, height is 1. Okay, then another triangle here, 1 over 2, same triangle actually. Okay, so for the this shaded region, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, y is x dy. So x is y power of 1 over 2 dy. Okay, so we integrate this one. So become y power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, 1, 4. Okay, minus 1 over 2 is 2. 1 over 2 plus, y power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. So 1, 0. Okay, substitute our upper limit. So this one become 2 over 3. Upper limit is 4 power of 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3, 1 power of 3 over 2. Okay, minus 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. Upper limit is 1 power of 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3. Lower is 0 power of 3 over 2. This one, we get 16 over 3 minus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Okay, is 2, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. Okay, so 25 over 6 is to 7 over 6. So therefore, ratio area P is to area Q is 25 is to 7. Number 5, sketch the graph for the curve y equals to 6x plus x squared. Okay, so A, we have y equals to 6x plus x squared. Okay, to sketch, we can predict this one, A equals to 1. So it's a parabola with minimum point. Okay, so the roots, we can find the roots. So 6x plus x squared equals to 0, x, 6 plus x equals to 0, then x equals to 0, x equals to negative 6. Okay, so then we can sketch this one. Y exists, x exists. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one is negative 6, this one is 0. Okay, to find minimum point, so dy dx equal to 0, so we differentiate. So dy dx equals to 6 plus 2x equals to 0. So then x equals to negative 3. When x equals to negative 3, y equals to 6 times negative 3 plus negative 3 squared. Okay, so equals to negative 9. Okay, so this one minimum point is negative 3, negative 9. Okay, so this is our graph. B, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to 6x plus x squared at origin and the point where x equals to 2. Okay, so equation of tangent, y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to mx plus c. So gradient of tangent is dy dx. Then you differentiate y with respect to x. So y equals to 6x plus x squared dy dx is 6 plus 2x. Then at the origin, meaning that x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, dy dx equals to 6 plus 2 times 0 equals to 6. Okay, so at the origin, the y-intercept is 0. So therefore, the first equation, y equals to into here. Okay, y equals to 6x plus 0. Okay. Then for the second one, where x equals to 2, we have another equation of tangent. So when x equals to 2, you must find y first. Y equals to 6 times 2 plus 2 squared, which is equals to 16. Okay, so dy dx. Okay, so gradient dy dx equals to 6 plus 2x. Okay, 2x, x is 2. So equals to 10. So therefore, put into y equals mx plus c. So y equals to 10x plus c. So y is 16 equals to 10x. X is 2 plus c. So c is negative 4. Okay. So therefore, another equation of tangent is y equals to 10x minus 4. 5c, given that the two tangents to the curve intersect at A, find the coordinates of A, then find the enclosed area by the tangent and the curve. Okay, so just now we have two tangent. Okay, y equals to 6x and y equals to 10x plus 4. Okay, so A is intersection point of these two tangents. So meaning that to find intersection point, you solve these two equations simultaneously. Okay, so then 2 equals 1. 10x minus 4 equals to 6x. So then 4x equals to 4, x equals to 1. Okay, when x equals to 1, you put, let's say, into 1. So y equals to 6. Okay, so therefore A is 1, 6. Okay, so to find the enclosed area by the tangent and the curve, you have to redraw. Okay, redraw the situation. Okay, so let's say this is the curve. Okay, this is x-axis, y-axis. Okay, the tangent at origin and at point x equals to 2. Okay, so this one 0. Okay, this one is 1, 6. Okay, 1, 6. Okay, this one, when x equals to 2, y equals to, just now y equals to 16. Okay, y equals to 16. Okay, so to find enclosed area, so meaning that you are going to find this shaded region. Okay, so to find the shaded region, we use area under the graph. Okay, so shaded region or enclosed area equals to area, all this area, minus triangle. Okay, this triangle. Okay, let's say this is triangle. Okay, minus this shape, which is shape of trapezium. Okay, so shape of trapezium minus trapezium. Okay, so the red one. Okay, so okay, for area under the curve, we use AB y dx because lower and upper limits are values of x. So then we substitute, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, y is 6x plus x squared dx minus triangle is 1 over 2, base 1, height is 6. Okay, so minus the trapezium 1 over 2, height, the base is 1, height is 6 plus 16. Okay, so this one we integrate, so 6x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 3, 0, 2, minus 3 minus 11. Okay, so this one simplify. So upper limit 3 times 2 squared plus 2 cube over 3 minus 3 times 0 squared plus 0 cube over 3. Okay, minus 14. So the final answer is 2 over 3 unit squared. Number 6, find the generated volume in terms of pi for the region bounded by the curve y equals to x squared plus 2, the lines x equals to 1 and x equals to 2 when it is rotated through 360 degree about y-axis. Okay, so now we draw the graph. Okay, so then this is the graph. Okay, so the minimum value is 2. Okay, when x equals to 1, substitute into the equation. Okay, so 1 squared plus 2 is 1, so this one I change y equals to 3. And when x equals to 2, 2 squared plus 2, okay, so y equals to, this one y equals to 6. Okay, so meaning that from 3 to 6. Okay, so this one, this area. Okay, so this area rotated about 360 degree about y-axis, so therefore we use volume equals to pi AB x squared dy. Okay, so we substitute into the formula, volume equals to pi, lower limit is 3, this one 3, 6. Okay, so 3, 6. Okay, y squared is, sorry, x squared actually y minus 2. So y minus 2 dy. Okay, so then pi, we integrate y squared over 2 minus 2y, 6. Okay, so then we substitute upper limit. So 6 squared over 2 minus 2 times 6. Okay, minus 3 squared over 2 minus 2 times 3. Okay, so this one, the final answer is 15 over 2 pi. Number 7, the diagram on the right shows a curve y equals to x squared plus 4 and the tangent to the curve at point P15. A, find the coordinates of Q. Okay, to find the coordinates of Q from the diagram, you can see Q is y-intercept. So meaning that you have to find the equation of PQ first. Okay. Okay, so equation of PQ straight line, so y equals to mx plus c, and this is tangent. So equation of tangent, find the gradient. Gradient is dy dx. So from y equals to x squared plus 4, find dy dx is 2x. Okay, here x is 1, so 2 times 1 equals to 2. Okay, so substitute into y equals mx plus c. We have 0.15. Okay, substitute into here. So y is 5, m is 2, x is 1 plus c. So c equals to -3. Okay, so therefore q is, c is 3. C is 3. Okay, so therefore C is 0, 3. B, calculate the area of shaded region. Okay, so B, shaded region. Okay, shaded region actually area under the graph minus trapezium. Okay, this one minus trapezium. Okay, so area under the graph, we use formula area equals to AB y dx because A and B are values of x. Okay, so area under the graph, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Okay, so then y is x squared plus 4d x minus trapezium 1 over 2 base is 1. This one is 5, q just now is 3. So base is 1, addition of 2 side 3 plus 5. Okay, so this one integrates, so x cubed over 3 plus 4x 0 1. Okay, minus 8 over 2 is 4. Okay, so then we substitute upper limit 1 cube over 3 plus 4 times 1. Okay, minus 0 cube over 3 plus 4 times 0. Okay, minus 4. So the final answer is 1 over 3 unit squared. 7C, calculate the generated volume in terms of pi when the region bounded by the curve y equals to x squared plus 4. This one we cancel, and the line y equals to 8 is revolve fully about y axis. Okay, so revolve about y, so we choose formula pi abx squared dy. Okay, so we must identify the region first. So we have curve and with minimum point is 4. Okay, so then we have line y equals to 8, so somewhere here 8. So meaning that the area bounded by the curve and straight line is this area. Okay, this area we rotate about y, okay, to find the volume. Okay, so then pi, since of the y, a and b are values of y. Okay, so lower limit is 4. From the diagram you see, lower limit is 4, upper limit is 8. X squared actually y minus 4 dy. So integrate, so y squared over 2 minus 4y for 8. So pi 8 squared over 2 minus 4/8 minus 4 squared over 2 minus 4. Okay, so the final answer will be 8 pi unit cube. Now we are going to discuss question number 8. The diagram on the right shows a curve y squared equals to 6 minus x and the straight line 3y equals to 8 plus 2x that intersect at point A. So A, find the coordinates of the point A. So since our given A is intersection point, so we can solve these two equations simultaneously. Okay, so y squared equals to 6 minus x, the first equation. So another one, 3y equals to 8 plus 2x. 2x equals to 3y minus 8. X equals to 3y minus 8 over 2. So this is the second equation. So 2 into 1. Okay, so y squared equals to 6 minus 3y minus 8 over 2. So all times 2, 2y squared equals to 12 minus 3y plus 8. So 2y squared plus 3y minus 20 equals to 0. So then we try to factorize this. This one become minus 5 plus 4. Okay, so y equals to 5 over 2, y equals to negative 4. Okay, so since from the diagram, y is positive, coordinate A. Coordinate A, y is positive, so we choose y equals to 5 over 2. So we substitute this one into equation 2. So x equals to 3y. Y is 5 over 2 minus 8 over 2. So which is equals to negative 1 over 4. So therefore, coordinate A is negative 1 over 4, 5 over 2. B, calculate the area of shaded region Q. Okay, to find shaded region Q, okay, we focus on Q. So before that, we can separate into two. Okay, so shaded region Q, here we got triangle. Okay, triangle and area under the graph. Okay, so before that we must find the boundaries and the vertex. Okay, for example, this one is y-intercept. Okay, for if y-intercept x equals to 0, when x equals to 0, here we got 8 over 3. Okay, just now coordinate Q is negative 1 over 4 and 5 over 2. Okay, so this one 5 over 2. Okay, so then y-intercept for the curve when x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, y squared equals to 6. So y equals to 36. Okay, so this one 36. Okay, so then we can find out the area. Okay, so we can identify the area of triangle. So area of triangle 1 over 2 times base. Base is 1 over 4. Okay, height is this one. Okay, 8 over 3 minus 5 over 2, which is 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Okay, plus this one we are going to use formula area equals to AB x dy. Okay, because A and B are values of y. Okay, so then we substitute the limit. Okay, square root 6. This one upper limit 5 over 2 x dy. Okay, so x is 6 minus y squared dy. Okay, so this one we need to solve this one first. So this one 1 over 48 plus, okay, integrate. This one becomes 6y minus y cubed over 3. Okay, square root 6, 5 over 2. Okay, so then 1 over 48 plus Okay, 6, 5 over 2 minus 5 over 2 over 3 cube. Sorry, cube. Okay, minus when y is 6. Okay, 6 minus 6 cube over 3. Okay, so this one we got 9/19 over 24 minus 9.798. Okay, so this one is 1 over 48 plus negative 0.00629. Okay, since of makes sense because the position of the area is the left side of x-axis. Okay, so meaning that we just make it positive. Okay, so this one the final answer is 0.2713. Okay, so actually for this question, I show details calculation because it's easy for you to track which part you make mistake. But in real SPM or any examination, you can skip this, okay? As long as you show substitute upper limit minus lower limit, then you press calculator and give your final answer. The last one, it's C. Calculate the generated volume in terms of pi when the shaded region P is rotated through 360 degree about x-axis. Okay, so about x, so volume is pi AB y squared dx. Okay, so then we identify the area. So just now we know that coordinate coordinate A is x is negative 1 over 4. Okay, so lower limit is negative 1 over 4. Upper limit is 0. So y squared is 6 minus x dx. Okay, so integrate. So 6x minus x squared over 2. Negative 1 over 4, 0. Okay, so this one pi 6 times negative 1 over 4, oh, sorry, 0. 0, upper limit 0. Okay, so 6 times 0 minus 0 squared over 2. Okay, minus 6 times negative 1 over 4 minus negative 1 over 4 squared over 2. Okay, so this one pi 0 minus negative 49 over 32. Okay, so the final answer is 49 pi over 32 unit cube.